Now to download Python, head over to a web browser and then type Python download. Then you will see the official website of Python and then click on the first URL that says download Python. Then hover over to the downloads tab. Then you will see several options to download Python. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on this button that says download for Windows. After clicking on it, you will see an executable file downloaded. You can double click on it to start. Then you can see two options to install now and customize installations. You can head over to customize installations and then tick this box that says for all users. Then click on next, and then again you can click on this install Python 3.14 for all users. And you should also add Python to environment variables. Then the rest you can just let it be and then click on install. Then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, and then your installation process starts. After the installation is done, then you will see that the setup was successful. Then you can close this and then close your web browser. Then you can search for the command prompt cmd on start, and then what we're going to do is to verify that Python was installed successfully. Now you have to type in this command python space -- version and then click enter. If Python was installed successfully, you will see that it says Python 3.14.0. That means that you have installed Python successfully. Thank you. Let's now see how we can download Anaconda. So just go to a browser and then type Anaconda download. Then head over to the official website of Anaconda, anaconda.org, and then click on the URL. Then you will come across this web page. Then you can click download Anaconda over to the top right. Then you will come across this web page. Then you can click on get started, or if you want to create an account for free as a student or a researcher, you can go ahead with that. For now, I'm going to go with get started. And I was already signed in. You can sign in with your email, and then you will come across this page. Then you can download the distribution installers. And for Windows, you have this. I can directly go ahead with the download option. It is a huge file, about 900 MB, so you can wait till everything is done. Once the download is done, you can double click on the exe file to run it. Then you will see this setup pop up. Then you just have to click on next, and then you don't have to read through the agreement. If you want to, you can then click on I agree, and you can just go ahead with just me and then click next. Here you can set the destination folder to be as it is, or you can change the location. I'm going to change location because it takes up a bit of storage. After choosing your folder, you can click on next. Next, and then you can just go ahead and install. Then you can click on next, and then finish. After finishing the setup, this is what you will come across. After downloading Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook would already have been installed automatically. To open, you can simply go to the search bar and then type Jupyter Notebook and then click enter to open it. Then you will see a window open like this. Then all the folders, it will open through an IP address, and then you will see all the folders that are in your computer that are being showed on that window. You'll have to wait for a while for it to load, and then it will open a web page automatically. Then you'll see a list of folders. You can go into a folder that you like. I'm going to go into the desktop folder, and then you'll see all the files that are in the desktop. To open a new Jupyter Notebook, you can head over to the new option on the top right and then click on a new you can open a new Jupyter Notebook. Then a new Jupyter Notebook would be opened in a new tab. You can change that notebook into your preferred name. I'm going to change it into my first notebook. After renaming it, you can start using your Jupyter Notebook. Now you might see that there's a small box indicating that whatever we are typing is going to be code. So we can now type the Python code we like. And then to get the output, we should click on Shift and Enter. Shift and Enter simultaneously. Then you will get the output and then go to another line. Again, you can go ahead and type another code you like. Earlier we typed print 5 plus 5 and then we got the output by pressing Shift and Enter. And then again in the next line we are going to print my name is ... and then click on Shift and Enter to get the output. Then to use Jupyter Notebook as a markdown shell, it's basically like you're going to write down notes. So what you can do is you can click the drop down menu where you earlier saw code. You can click the drop down menu and click on markdown. Then you can use the Jupyter Notebook as your own notebook. And to write simple sentences, just normal text, you can just type and then click on Shift Enter. If you want to write headings, you can first start with a hash and then space your heading. Now I'm going to write my first header as Jupyter Notebook. 1 hash and then space and Jupyter Notebook. That would be my heading. And then click Shift Enter to go to the next line. Then the more hashes you enter, the smaller the header becomes. If you use 1 hash, it would be the biggest header, and then the more hashes you use, then the smaller the header becomes. You can try it out yourself. And that is how we use Jupyter Notebook.